Let's go through some ways you can keep your Cat FirstCut system in top shape. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures, and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Your FirstCut system is long-lasting and built to penetrate tough ground conditions. It allows up to 35% more payload mass, and you can expect up to 17% greater productivity. These edges are designed for cutting through compacted, rocky, or frozen soils, and that means you can push harder while reducing track slip. There are some great ways to maintain your FirstCut cutting edges and blades. These are your built-in wear indicators. Keep an eye on them during daily checks. Also, never apply lubricant to any of your Cat GET. Your blade can get damaged if you don't replace the edges when it's time. When installing your FirstCut system, always use new bolts and nuts. Clean off rust and nicks from the blade so that the edges are flush to the blade. Tighten the nuts and then strike the plow bolt with a hammer. And then retighten nuts to the torque values you see in the installation instructions. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.